I'm doing my Doux with the Doux. Damn. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a video. I'm very excited for this video because I finally get to try the Doux Honey Dip Gel. Oh, hold on. I put some new settings on the camera. Yeah, so I finally get to try the Doux Honey Dip Gel. And then I'm also going to try the Doux B-Girl Supersonic Supercharged Honey Condish. It says you can use it as a pre-poo, leave-in, or rinse out, but I'm going to try using it as a leave-in conditioner. I just need to say though, okay, I had to go all the way to Buffalo just to get this because Canada is very behind, apparently. I love all of the Doux hair products, but we have like none. Just in my area around me, the beauty supply store that I go to, the Doux products that we have are the original like turquoise and white bottled ones, and then the B-Girl collection. Not this one though. We stopped at the custard and a hair mask or something. So, and then I was looking on Google yesterday and I realized that there are so many new products that they have that I had no idea about. So we need to get it together because I've been seeing a bubble bath. I've been seeing a Chief Rocka type thing. I don't even know what's going on anymore. But okay, anyways, it was like it was meant to be because I went to a bunch of different stores, Ulta, everything, and literally they had none of these products. And then the last time I went to Walmart, they didn't have a lot of the newer different ones, but they had these. All of the other ones that they had there is what we have here. And I was like, it was meant to be, and there was only one left of this. So I've already washed my hair and everything and put conditioner in and stuff. I know it doesn't look damp, but it's damp. Sorry, also I'm going to be looking into the little viewfinder. No, not the the little screen here. Okay, I'm gonna have to look in here quite a bit because the mirror that is in front of me is just, the whole setup here is just not, you know what I'm saying, it just doesn't work. Okay, so let's get started. Ooh, that smells good. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if this is weird, but it's like I can tell the thickness and the moisture that this is gonna give my hair just by the smell. Honey butter gel. Ooh, that already sounds... Okay, this is good. It's like a very sweet... Oh my gosh. Are the bees gonna attack me? Certain hair products I use, the bees love it. So my hair's still damp, but I am gonna spray it a little bit. So I'm gonna put in the leave-in. Ooh. You can tell this is gonna be a nice one. Let's try the gel now. Oh, this is gonna be good. I already know. I already know. Look at that. I already know. Oh, Lord. When I run out, what am I gonna do? On Amazon, I wasn't looking at like this specific product, but I was looking at other ones. It's like $50 to ship to me. Are you serious? And then on the website, I'm sure it'll be around the same. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. And then, you know, with all the tariffs and stuff and the tax and everything, it's just not good. You know, sometimes you don't realize how much your hair has grown, and then you look back and you're like, oh damn. I'm just gonna double check something. I just wanted to check if the camera was still recording. So far I really like this gel. I can tell that my hair, it's not like crunchy, but it's still finding my curls. I think for this one I am gonna have to diffuse it just until the product sets in my curls and stuff and then holds it there like that. If I were to air dry it, I'm gonna do a big section. I would honestly say easy that the Doux, my favorite hair product line. Let's see. You can tell how moisturizing this gel is gonna be. We're gonna stretch it. Look at that. Oh my Lord. there's a lot of, you know, it's still white right now, but this is why I think if I were to diffuse it and like soak it and lock it in my hair, I want to test it out on the back of my head, like in this area, because my texture is different. See, look, you can see one of the curls. My texture is different back there. So let me just do the back. Let's see. Hold on. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go finish the rest, and then when it's time to start diffusing and stuff, then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm almost done. I can't explain how my hair feels, but when they say honey butter gel, they actually mean honey butter gel. It is very moisturized, and it literally actually feels like butter. Like, it's very light. When I usually put in gel, it does not feel like this. Yes, my curls are defined, very weighed down and heavy. This has just a different, you know, different feel to it. So we're on the last section. Thank God, because I love the results and all, but I hate the doing. Oh, the doing, the do. I'm doing my do with the Doux. Damn. Look at that. Okay, so nice and juicy. Okay, so it is done. So my Doux is done. This is what I'm saying. There's a huge difference in, I wish I could, maybe one day I need to do like regular gel and then the Doux honey dip. I'm just gonna go over a few, any few pieces that I see that could use some more definition and hold. We're gonna do some face framing up in here. Okay, so anyway, so I'm gonna go get the diffuser and then, you know, do some diffusing. So, you know, I'm gonna need an Nexus card. Okay. My hair's not fully dry because I didn't blow dry it for too long, but I got it to the dryness of having like some type of cast. You know what I'm saying? My hair, it's still so bouncy. I just want to show you like a piece like this right here is where I would just, even with it being dry, I would just go over it just so, and look at that. Wait, which one was it? I don't know. Let me do another one. I'm late to the game for this. I can't even be like, you know, you should try this new product out because I'm very late. But if you have not tried it, please do. You can see the definition of my curls. Like, look. And do you see that gloss, that shine, that moisture? Because I do. I don't know how to fix the lighting right now, and truly I don't really want to mess around with it because I wish I could show you. Ooh, hold on. Look at, okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay, because we can see now, okay? We could see, because I'm trying to show you the curls, you know, I'm trying to show you how the curls look, but it's kind of hard when it's like this because all you see is a black like puff ball with a few, you know, defined curls around. So I'm trying to show you. Oh, yeah, we can't go close. I love the results. And, you know, I will be flying over to Buffalo again. So I'm starving right now, so I'm going to go eat some food, and I will see you in my next video.